And now, your News 10 Storm Tracker forecast with meteorologist Jeff Smith.
And good evening, everybody. Jeff is off tonight. I'm Jason Russell, and standing in, and a bearer of some good news, some quiet weather. Let's jump right on into your first forecast. Temperatures at 8 o'clock will be in the upper 20s. There will be a mixture of moonlight and clouds overnight. Temperatures falling to around 20. Tomorrow morning, we will see some sunshine as you get up and get going. So here's what's happening out there right now. A very pleasant 33 in Albany, 36 in Schenectady, 30 in Pittsfield, North Adams, Bennington, finally clearing out of the snow, as well as Glens Falls. Temperatures there 30. Look at 39 in Poughkeepsie. That will be very indicative of what we see tomorrow. So our futurecast at 8 o'clock tonight, starting off in the 20s around the area. Hudson still around 30 degrees. Overnight tonight with partly cloudy skies. We drop down into the 20s, and that's where we are tomorrow morning when we wake up. During the daytime tomorrow, milder air begins to work in. Glens Falls could flirt with 40. Albany, 38 degrees. Hudson, 40. A very, very nice day tomorrow with the sun-cloud blend. All right, that's the temperature profile. Here is the storm, which dumped quite a bit of snow across the Berkshires and the southern counties of Vermont last night into the first part of this morning. This storm is really cranking up and producing some widespread snows from Boston to Worcester, Massachusetts, on into New Hampshire and on into Maine. By the way, Dennis, a town out in Cape Cod, 106 inches of snow so far this season. That is well above what Albany has seen. Our futurecast, 8 o'clock tonight, shows generally mostly clear to partly cloudy skies in the Albany area. Overnight, there will be some clouds that will try to work on in as a weak disturbance pushes through. Tomorrow, we'll call for a sun-cloud blend when you wake up at 8 o'clock. And then during the day, a pretty nice day with some clouds building up. Temperatures tomorrow, as I showed you a little while ago, we'll get to around 40 degrees. So a nice day tomorrow. And there will be a lot of melting going on. But tonight, the reverse of that. We'll see some freezing on the roadways. We'll call some icy roads. Temperatures around 20. Tomorrow, we'll see plenty of sunshine mixing with clouds. And here you go. The 7-day planner. High temperatures tomorrow, upper 30s to around 40 degrees. A lot of melting. Don't forget your sunglasses. Don't forget your windshield washer fluid for your car. You're going to need it with all the splash up on the roads. And we're going to be talking about maple sugaring in just a little while, too.
That's right.
We'll be happy with this forecast. Looking good the rest of the week. You notice St. Patty's Day, Thursday, 38, and quiet. One thing you don't notice, storms on the 7-day forecast.
It's about time, quite frankly. It's starting to feel a little bit like spring. You can kind of get that feeling out there.
The sunshine, very strong. Of course, spring rings in officially the week after next. So
okay.
We're happy about that.
Jason Russell's here, in for Joe Joyce, who's watching that game.
Yeah, you know, and I promise not to talk about that game right now.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to put you on the spot. What were you doing on this day 27 years ago?
I have no idea.
You were so young. Today, the 27th anniversary of the blizzard of 78. So if you lived in southern New England, chances are you were probably doing a lot of shoveling. Deepening low pressure south of New England really got cranking. Snow developed in the Boston area late morning. It was fluffy at first. It became heavier and steadier and heavier in moisture content, and it was just a devastating storm. We had sustained winds of 35 to 40 miles per hour. Boston had wind gusts of 79 miles per hour. Category 2 hurricane strength winds at Blue Hill Observatory south of Boston. Those winds, coupled with an astronomical high tide, created all sorts of problems. Hundreds of homes damaged as well as destroyed. And again, the snow caused some big-time problems as well. 20 inches in Worcester, about 30 inches in Providence, almost 30 in Boston as well. 75 fatalities due to the blizzard of 78 and $500 million worth of damage. Now, our weather is the antithesis of that today. Sunshine and temperatures were just fantastic. Right now, clear skies. Temperatures are falling rapidly, and we will see a few high clouds across the North Country tonight. But overall, our temperatures will average in the teens across western Massachusetts, southern Vermont, and New Hampshire. Concord about 16 degrees in the Lakes region as well. In the 20s to near 30 across eastern sections of Mass and Rhode Island, and in the 20s in Maine. Now, tomorrow, fantastic. Again, the February thaw continues, a little bit cooler at the coast. Temperatures in the 40s and low 50s with sunshine, maybe some high clouds late in the day. Here is what I'm thinking as far as the temperatures tomorrow. I'm thinking generally in the 50s in southern New England. Boston, I think, will make it into the 50s with a southwest wind, and will be in the 50s up north as well, except for central Maine, where Augusta and Bangor will be in the 40s. Now, of course, looking ahead, the warmth will begin to move off the coastline and will be replaced with cooler air once we head on into the mid and latter stages of the week. We'll be watching a developing potential snowstorm as we head on into the end of the week. So again, we'll keep you posted. Matt Noyce will be in dark and early tomorrow with your forecast for the end of the week. But here is a quick check of your 5-day forecast. We'll see our high temperatures take a tumble as we head on into Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures starting off in the 50s tomorrow, around 40 Tuesday, and in the 30s with the potential for snow late week. And a pleasant Tuesday morning to you. A few flakes out there this morning. Mostly cloudy skies will be the rule today. A little quieter day than yesterday. And with temperatures this morning starting off below freezing, there will be a few icy locations, especially some of the back roads out there this morning. Now, a quiet day today, quiet tonight, and quiet during the daytime tomorrow. And then it looks like we'll see more light snow developing tomorrow night into Thursday. How much? A little too early to put some numbers on it, but I'll show you what I'm thinking in just a moment. Good news is, looking ahead, as we always like to do, the weekend, the final weekend of winter, looks pretty nice. Saturday, expect some sunshine, mild temperatures in the mid-40s, upper 40s to around 50 degrees on Sunday, again with abundant sunshine. So the final full winter weekend looks like it will be a dandy, a good skiing weekend on tap. Right now, temperatures are below freezing across much of the area. 27 Greenfield, 28 at Orange, 30 in Westfield, and 28 degrees in Springfield this hour. The Berkshires also in the upper 20s. Again, we had a coating of snow to about an inch or two in some locales yesterday. You can see just a few flakes out there right now, so no major weather issues for you this morning. Again, as I mentioned, some slick spots on the roads. That is probably the only travel problem. Just light and spotty light snow activity this morning across the Northeast, but this is what I'm watching. This area of snow from central Illinois into southern Indiana and now into extreme western Virginia. This area of low pressure will hit the coastline tomorrow evening. And as it moves up the coastline, the big question with all these coastal storms is how close to the coast does it come? One scenario takes it out to sea. We miss out on everything, but right now I'm thinking it will come closer to the coast, bringing the best chance of moderate snow east of the Connecticut River, light snow chance west of the Connecticut River. So again, stay tuned. Any slight jog in the forecast track will determine how much snow we get. All right, forecast for today, mostly cloudy, a few flurries. 36 to 41 will do it, which is slightly below normal. Tonight, 16 to 22, partly cloudy on the chilly side. And then tomorrow, increasing afternoon clouds, highs around 40. Here's a look at the 5-day planner. Again, snow developing tomorrow night into Thursday, and then partial clearing late in the day, high of 36 Thursday, 35 with a snow shower on Friday. And then Saturday looks great, and we begin a nice weekend.
Is it a nice weekend, or do you think a warm-up, or is it too far away to tell?
Well, I think 50 degrees looks pretty likely on Sunday, which is going to be fantastic.
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Good job, Jason.
You bet.
All right, thanks so much.